today we're going to talk about crypto bot trading, and we're going to give you the lowdown so everybody can understand all the ins and outs of crypto bots. We're not here to endorse any crypto bot. We're not here to endorse bot trading. We're not selling anything, advertising anything. We're sharing information. So in this class, we'll take a good hard look at trading bots. We'll learn how they operate, how we can modify them for a unique strategy, can we trust them, and how to trade with them. Now, a crypto trading bot is software that helps you automate your trading strategies. In other words, crypto trading bots automatically execute orders based on your trading strategy at your crypto exchange without your manual intervention. This reduces risk and gives you extra edge over manual traders. Now, back in the days of Mt. Gov, Bitcoin traders wrote scripts to buy and sell Bitcoin to make a profit. Over time, these crypto bots have become more sophisticated. Today, you can trade any altcoin such as Ethereum, Dogecoin, Litecoin, etc. using trading bots. Now, more than 90% of cryptocurrency trading happens through bots today. Now, exchanges are now stepping into the trading bot space and launching grid bots and DCA bots to provide better trading tools to their customers and increase trading volumes to earn more fees. Now, a bit of personal advice. Do not think you can buy or use a bot that's provided, whether you're paying for it or free of charge, that's just going to make you money. Bots need you to make them better. Need you to make them unique. Needs you to help build and adjust the strategies. Okay. If you think just by going on some exchange and signing up for their bot is going to make you rich, you're wrong. Okay. Bots are AI. We're going to talk about it. They're a tool. So if you're trying to maximize your returns, you should consider using these tools. However, getting started with a crypto trading bot might be confusing and overwhelming. Therefore, we have picked the best and easiest to use crypto bots for you. I'm sorry, we haven't. Okay, I did do a class that we did, but I don't, and I'm not here recommending any. Some of the best trading bots for crypto are found through open source. Now, if you're a beginner, start with pre-built, ready-to-use trading bot strategy templates. Okay. And this is what I don't advise anybody to build their own trading bot. You can. If you're a software writer or developer, you can do all this, but that's craziness. But always use a bot that allows you to customize it. And this will reduce the errors of, and all the complexity in doing automated trading. Professional crypto bot trading works for as long as the bots are crafted with prediction, automation, and order placement or execution technologies to allow them to make profit in trading crypto. In fact, the best crypto trading bots generate a profit when risk adjusted is more than you would find overall that you would be making in trading coins. Profitability also depends on how they are set up and how your expertise to configure them. Because cryptocurrency trading occurs 7 days a week, around the clock, crypto trading bots have emerged as a de facto tool for professional retail traders and institutional investors to track every move in the cryptocurrency market and profit from it. A crypto trading bot is a software program that automates trading tasks such as selecting, buying, selling a cryptocurrency based on specific parameters set by the bot's programmer or creator. Which says if this popular bot is out there and you have 1 million people buying it, it's doing the same thing for all those 1 million people because it's all been set up by that programmer and its creator to do specific things at specific times. Well, I was that creator and I was going to be able to get 1 million people to buy Ethereum at this price. Well, guess what? I'd be going to be the seller because they're going to be buying it up like crazy. Now, employing principles of AI, such as safety, objectivity, and trust, crypto trading bots can be configured to execute different trading strategies, such as buying into devalued crypto tokens, adding new cryptocurrencies that have hit the market, or even trading in a basket of cryptocurrencies to gain from price fluctuations. Since cryptocurrency trading bots work per predefined rule and condition, they keep investors from falling prey to emotions and offer a more efficient way to trade in a volatile cryptocurrency market. Whether a crypto trading bot is configured to send trading signals or go to the last mile and execute a trade, investors can benefit immensely from the logic-based approach and AI-powered automation on offer. Now, you can get bots or set up the bot to only issue a signal to you. But that simple delay in your time and you being available to implement that trade creates a problem. Okay? Because that delay can be costly. Now, a crypto bot can also execute those trades for you. That becomes risky because they may be executing trades you don't want to make. So you have to find the middle ground. Now, how do cryptocurrency make money in crypto trading? They basically reduce trading insights and signals from marketing big data. They draw and receive what we call ad hoc or unclassified random disorganized information from multiple sources. It could be real-time information or historic. But these bots are taking in all of this data and putting it together to make some sense. So after receiving the information, they then use predefined and coded trading strategies based on knowledge of the historical market patterns to classify the data and info to reduce useful and actionable trading signals. That's a mouthful, isn't it? But that's what they do. The trading bot makes and analyzes things within seconds. It can deal with quick price changes in a volatile market. Crypto trading bots are either integrated with crypto trading exchanges or use APIs to place, sell, and buy orders on these platforms. These orders are then executed normally. They make it easy to trade by eliminating manual or voluminous work. Now, how do bots make money and work? Well, indicators that we trade with, technical analysis indicators, are based on mathematical-based technically patterns plotted on price charts. And these help traders identify signals and trends in the market. Bots chart these patterns and deduce the signals automatically. Now, it wasn't until just a few years ago that we could automatically drop Fibonacci or HTL or candlesticks or any of these things onto our automated charts. And then even when we could drop them on the charts, it couldn't do a trading strategy. Today, you can do everything you want on your charts with the new HTML technology. You don't have to do anything. You click on a button on RSI, MACD, indicator strategy, and it's going to give you buys right on your chart. Well, the bots can read the same stuff. Indicators including moving averages, exponential moving averages, RSI, Fibonacci retracements, commodity clouds, standard deviation, other directional indexes, they all come down to mathematical calculations. Every indicator is exactly that. An indicator interprets the price on a chart or price movements. Now, this indicator can only use the open, the high, the low, and the close and volume. That's the only input data. The rest of it are mathematical or statistical formulas that are applied to those numbers. So crypto bots take a lot out of the grueling work of the crypto trader. First, and most difficult, is finding the bot you want to use. Whether it's paid or free, crypto trading bots should be selected based on data regarding historical performance, the credibility of the bot's creator, and the reviews of peers who have used it before. It is a known fact that most of the trading activity on Wall Street is dominated by algorithmic trading. Whether you're trading stocks or commodities, it's all today algorithmic trading. Sometimes they call it black box trading. Sometimes they call it robotic trading. Even copy trading is semi-algorithmic. The same is now reflected in the cryptocurrency market as institutional investors' trading activity continues to gain momentum and far exceeds the trading volume contributed by us, the little retail traders. As a result, the usage of trading bots is on the rise. An increased number of private investors are utilizing one or more AI crypto trading bots to improve their chances of making consistent profits in the cryptocurrency markets. However, while there are many free and paid crypto trading bots available, it is very important to understand how these bots perform the task. Their advocates promise. For a crypto trading bot to deliver positive returns on a net basis, it must execute trades with lightning fast speeds and have zero or negligible error in its code. Risk and diversification strategies are used to decide the consistency of profits, as even a single unhedged trade can jeopardize days or weeks of worth of trading profits. On the trader's part, it is therefore essential to run multiple trading bots and choose only those that have proven track records that you can produce substantial returns that you can verify. You'll first decide which crypto pair or fiat currency you want to use for an exchange. Now, not all bots are going to be good for every coin out there. You don't need to trade every coin. Let's start with you want to trade a pair. Whether it's Bitcoin against the dollar, Bitcoin against the euro, whether it's Ethereum against Bitcoin. Okay. Figure out a limited range. You'll then want to set the parameters like buy price ranges, sell price ranges, risks that you want the bot to use when it trades. This is a super important step because the bot will act based on the parameters you set. Setting parameters requires a lot of research and knowledge because your bot's performance is based on these parameters. And do not use the preset ones, please. After setting up parameters, you'll need to decide how much money you want to allocate to the bot. The more money that the bot uses, the better, because they will be able to cover larger trading spreads and volumes. You'll be able to set the specific coins you trade in on some platforms. Once your bot is set up, you're good to go. Bots use data analysis to quickly analyze large amounts of data on the cryptocurrencies you choose. This analysis helps the bot notice trends to be able to know when to trade. As the bot notices trends, the bot will be able to make predictions on the best times to trade. When choosing a cryptocurrency trading bot, investors need to weigh the pros and cons of free crypto trading bots compared to those that charge a flat monthly fee or an annual subscription. Most popular trading bots like Naga, Pionex, eToroX do not charge users for viewing, but have trading commissions starting as low as 0.5 for every trade executed via their platform. Okay, this is essentially pertinent for those whose daily trading volumes regularly exceed tens of thousands of dollars. The trading fees due over a month could be far more than the subscription fee charged by other competitors. For example, cloud-based trading bots like CoinRule or CryptoHopper provide a free trial, after which users can be charged as low as $19 a month to as high as $450 a month, depending on the plan and the range of services. These trading bots make more sense for investors with higher trading volume and who wants to enjoy these services from anywhere around the world. That said, investors and traders looking to purchase or rent a crypto trading bot need to verify the cryptocurrency exchange supports the bots. For example, Coinbase does not allow trading bots to interact with the platform, providing the utility with Coinbase Pro platform only. Now, exchanges like Binance support a range of crypto trading bots, and are much more suited for many looking to indulge in the high-speed trading powered by these bots. Crypto trading bots are offered by a lot of companies on apps and websites. On the company's platform, users can track the performance of all the bots they set up. Users can also connect to a cryptocurrency exchange to their crypto bot account. Some of the crypto bot companies are crypto exchanges like eToro. You can find reviews of crypto trading bots from users who have tested them and shared their results. I say, do your own testing, do your own checking, do your own modifications. Nobody's going to hand you something that's going to make you rich. One of the biggest advantages of crypto trading bots is that they take some of the human error out of trading crypto. Certainly they can take all the human error because you'll have a set of parameters for yourself. However, the biggest mistake from new investors is when they trade with their emotions. Having a logic-based bot making a decision will help you invest like a seasoned pro. New investors often buy into crypto when there's a lot of hype around these assets. These can lead to buying during high periods, so you're forced to cut losses by selling low. Crypto bots take emotion out of trading by solely following the parameters you set. So crypto trading bots are very useful when done right. There are a lot of crypto trading bots on the market, and it's important to research which bot are right for you. As you take time to set up the bot correctly, you realize that crypto trading bots take a lot of hard work out of crypto trading and buying. So that's all for today, folks. But please be aware of what you're getting involved in. Please spend the time modifying and setting it up for you so that it's unique to you. Adjust some of the strategies based on what you know, and then watch it closely and modify it so that the success is yours. So thank you very much for joining us, and watch our other videos, and please subscribe. Thanks now.